dan diikuti foto bersama. And also we would like to invite Miss Anseline to witness the signing.
Okay. Benar sini ya.
Tukeran.
Bisa di.
Oh, gimana nih? Gini aja.
Makasih banyak.
Okay. I think it would not be formal unless they had your photo.
Okay. Selamat siang, salam sejahtera yang saya hormati Bapak Direktur Utama dari LKBN Antara, Pak Widyatama, dan juga tentu Sister Anseline. Karena apa? Kami diberikan kesempatan oleh Tuhan Yang Maha Kuasa melalui Pak Widyatama selaku pimpinan tertinggi di LKBN Antara untuk bisa menerima aspek Indonesia dan salah satu-satunya federasi yang bisa diterima oleh LKBN Antara. Dan apa yang telah dilakukan ini bukan untuk hari ini, tetapi untuk yang akan datang. Dan mudah-mudahan dengan adanya ini menjadikan kita lebih bekerja sama lagi dan erat lagi, insya Allah. Demikian, wabillahi taufiq walhidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I will keep my remarks mostly on the international trade union business. I'm also a member of the executive and the president of my own union in Finland, the biggest one with the private services sector. So now Finland is a small country, only 5.4 inhabitants, and our density is pretty good. It's around 55 to 70%, so our membership is above 230,000 at the moment, and with that number we are the biggest one in the country. So global union is something. Is one of the global unions, global union federations in the world. It's also the biggest, and we cover sectors from commerce to ICT to telecom to property services and various others. So UNI has, through its affiliates, 20 million members in 170 countries and 900 affiliated national unions. So our aim is to make the world smaller for workers, to bring them closer together, to ensure that in every place in the world people have their basic rights to organize and to be able to negotiate collective agreements. That is the basic thing, and we believe that the collective bargaining system is the best system in the world, also for businesses, because we know from international study that those businesses that treat their people well, who have collective agreement systems, very well, good communications with their staff, they also do best business-wise. So in that way, it makes a lot of sense for businesses to work together with the trade unions. We also like to see that when the businesses have become more global, we also need to work more globally when it comes to all kinds of economic organizations in the world. That'll say World Bank, the IMF, certainly the UN and the ILO in there, and try to influence the world leaders to understand what added value the trade unions can, at their best, bring to the table. We also in the international trade union movements are very worried about the distribution of wealth and the situation where we are in that, because it means that more and more people live in poverty. They don't have jobs at all, or they are in the informal sector, and they struggle every day just to make a living. So we have huge tasks, but as we've said for a long time, we've said that you need to think globally, but you have to act locally, and the same thing applies to all of our countries. We need to start from the basics up, and here I'm happy to say that ASPEC Indonesia, that we are working closely with, is building a strong union for its members, and hopefully many more to come. So building stronger unions, giving the voice to the workers in the world in this global business environment needs international cooperation even more in the future than now. So this is the in a very small nutshell what we are trying to do there. Very happy to be here and see for about a week different aspects about what is going on in Indonesia. So thank you very much. A small mountain from Finland, which tells about the social innovations that we've done in our country. It's an article collection where business people, politicians, trade union leaders, journalists, researchers have put their ideas together and try to introduce a bit of social Finland. So if I may give this to you. All right.
Selamat siang, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya rasa dalam suatu organisasi akan selalu ada salah paham. Ya, nggak usah satu organisasi, satu rumah aja bisa salah paham, apalagi satu organisasi. Tapi yang paling penting di sini adalah kita selalu memiliki niat untuk komunikasi yang baik. Baik ASPEC maupun serikat pekerja manapun, pintu saya selalu terbuka untuk komunikasi.
Disabled with chocolate cookie souvenir of your stay here.
Kasih lihat, Pak. Makan.
Hey,
Ya.